Hi there, this is Karen from Soul Shimmer Designs, and my project for today is this super cute kids height chart. So for this project I use my TeckWrap weeding pen, the squidgy, which always comes in handy, and I used the white printable sticker vinyl. That's inkjet printing and it comes in a pack of 15. Then for the vinyl I use the glitter champagne gold and the coconut white, and that's in a matte. And of course the trusty TeckWrap sticky matte. The base for the height chart is this wooden height chart, and you can see at the sides it has space for the design that I want to put on there. The design that I wanted to use I found on Creative Fabrica, and there's 2 different sets of sheets there. And I've set out my registration marks and I'm ready to cut and print in Silhouette Studio. So now I'm just adding on my white sticker vinyl sheet, which has already been printed out, and I'm using my Silhouette Cameo to do the print and cut function. Now we're ready to take off the sticky sheet, and then we need to weed away all the excess vinyl from the printed designs. And you can see here the white sticker vinyl is very easy to peel away the excess, just like any of the TeckWrap vinyls. It's easy enough to get off. And this had some quite tricky designs in there with smaller pieces around the rainbow and the sun. So you just have to take it easy, take it slowly, and all the excess vinyl comes off with no problems at all. I really like working with this sticker sheets, and like with any vinyl, you can, with the print and cut function, you can remove any smaller excess pieces with your weeding pen. And now for the second lot of graphics, do the same process. This one was a little bit easier, didn't have so many tricky cutting patterns to get rid of, and anything that did come up like the butterfly there, I just used my weeding pen to remove that. So now we're ready to add everything onto the height chart, the wooden height chart, and I use my TeckWrap transfer paper to remove some of the tree and the mountain design. And I found that you don't want it to be too sticky. This was a used piece of transfer tape. And then for the other designs I found it easier just to take off myself straight from the sheet rather than using transfer paper. But I did a mix. Some of them I could get off quite easily, like the majority, the balloons that you see here. And then with the rainbow, because it had separated pieces, I used the transfer tape, but that was easy enough to remove and then also stick onto the wooden base. Sometimes you find that the wooden base can be a little bit tricky and the vinyl doesn't stick onto it, but with TeckWrap vinyl I never have a problem. And the sun is the last piece to go on the bottom part of the height chart. It's in 2 pieces, and because of all the extra cutting it had around, extra pieces, it took a little bit longer, but it's looking really cute. So now for the second part, and you'll notice that I printed out copies of what I'm using on my, or what I'm taking away from my sticker vinyl, and that was just as a guide so that I could see exactly how much space I had. I didn't want to use up too much. But again, I'm just taking off the white sticker vinyl directly from the paper rather than using transfer tape. It was just easier to do it that way, and just making sure all my sizings and placements were exactly how I needed them. And you'll see I just needed to weed a few extra pieces from the stickers there, That was no problem at all. Placing now the last balloon, and then the cloud and the moon. And that's all our main sticker design done. Then like a banner at the top there. Then for the name, I used my coconut white vinyl and the glitter champagne gold. I used the white as an offset, which is my favourite technique to do. And as with all TeckWrap vinyls, these are easy to work with. The glitter vinyl, I use the yellow transfer tape. You need to make sure that you can, with the glitter vinyls or shimmers and the blush vinyls that you have, you need to get use a stickier transfer tape, and the yellow is what you need for that. And it works perfectly with the coconut white, the matte on that, and then you'll see the offset has come out really well. And I'm just placing the name on there now. You have to just go slowly because the yellow transfer tape is quite a lot stickier than the red grid transfer tape. But if you, like I say, just go slowly and you'll get everything off quite easily. So there we are. That is the second piece done. And I'm really happy with how this has turned out. This is going to be a present for a friend who's just had a baby. And you can see that's it in 2 parts, and then this is a picture of the final product as a single height chart. So that's my tutorial for today. Thank you very much for watching, and if you have any questions, let me know. And also don't forget to subscribe to the TeckWrap channel. Thanks so much. Bye bye.